Hey, you? Yeah, yes, you. I know you don't understand tree, so just click on the first link in the description section below and watch the English version of this video.
So into one product no so I know na odi no aduane I know the barbe blend it ni nyema so and no aso an odi charging the phones whilst they enjoy dinner and they're very portable product in the no. This is a great product, guys. And if you have the capital and you'll be I want to start this importation business, so for products no beton, this is like a great product that you can go buy and also sell for profit.
Hello, Busiafour. Memao Akwaba Eba Fufu TV. So, Wasom for Kwame Chumisini. This is just a quick video, okay? There's this product air trended, and this product, between say a huge potential Ghana, okay, especially Africa, because Africa no aya ye dumso no ha dwempan ye ana de shemu kena ema me say mo amunim Elon Musk the company Tesla almost our subdivision be they do power walls, okay, and they build power storage units and energy storage units. This energy storage unit, last year in their quarter three, okay, so 2022 in their Q3, this what they call it, energy storage units, made them 1.117 billion. Okay, this actually accumulated to like 5.3% of their overall wealth. This shows you the potential in regards to products now, which is power station and now power storage units and maybe befriend power bank. Make us up here, maybe share my screen. I'm gonna go through this product with you guys. So uyo bia uwo sika kakra, I highly recommend say ube investing into this product. Products on the board in kakra. Until uyo bia only huge capital, you may not be able to buy some and sell. But uyo bia uwo capital kakra, trust me, ukofa products way ebeton ewo Ghana. Upenya usika dumso no adults paye, and this product is going to help solve this sort of problem. See, am light of crana ube to me a charge your phone, ube to me a charge your laptop, ube to me the product you cry a charge your cooker, your rice cooker now the new ediane, ebi cry to me power fridge, TV no nkeka me share online me share Ghana will be all shed out on this sort of product. And to make us happy, we have a share my screen. I'm not sure how you can buy some of these products and come and sell in Ghana. Let's move.
Okay, into about Google. Okay, into products I make one semi. This product, I believe say a huge potential. Okay, into basically Google, metro IP, power bank. Well, product will be my friend power bank. Ubit my friend on power station, ubit my friend on power storage. Okay, it's a power bank. Yam fan back on one power bank 20,000 mAh. mAh means milliampere hour. And so you can say milliampere hour. Basically, how long a battery can hold something. Benyan Kitty say, okay, I'm looking for something that is really strong. I'll just go on Alibaba. Okay, into Alibaba, alibaba.com. I'll just click on this. Into Alibaba, after Hano, main type it power bank. Okay, into I'll go for the one mAh, milliampere hour, our top. Into a 100,000. Okay, into this shows way be really powerful. Awesome. Into product, EBT say, into product nini. Well, when your product be say now I think say it's going to solve a lot of the power issues because minimum say Ghana dumso no edos pay and product ni be saying crown na we it to me which much charge using a solar panel, which is good until we are the boy and run say what connected to your solar panel no way see adeɛ bɛsa no na charge it. Okay, in case say your light off, you can still power your phones, your fridge, your TV. Trust me, if your friend is saying the mAh no pana, it can power a lot. Let me just click on this one, for instance. So when we cross it, I want to meet to power ediane. So there are lots and lots and lots. Yeah, so this is the products. So you can charge your phones. You can actually plug in your fridge. Said you who power your laptop, camera, car refrigerator, mobile phones, lights. So said them again. You can charge it using a solar panel. And see, this is like a great your friend is saying product a lot of people can benefit from. You be to mass search it for either so be use power bank, we can go if we to see maybe a power station. Well, power station. Again, the higher the watts, the higher bini or more moko campaign or so. And that would be solar no so fair no. Into way so anyway in share. Weigh 1,000 watts. Said the no. Plugs you can plug your appliances. It's our USB cable, so you can plug a lot. So when you come on Alibaba, there are lots and lots of suppliers here. You get a supplier, they can supply you with this product. Now also Afibi. Now I have a tongue. Okay. Yeah, so there are lots and lots out there, guys. Trust me. There are lots and lots. Normally we type power station and we more. Okay, we're at 30,000. Okay, it be so friend portable solar generator. Inti o click swap. So and ababi go abibrebe no. So we crowd your show. One product or the power in the fridge. Let me click on this one. Let me click on this one now here. Let's watch this video. So into one product so I don't know ordinary aduane. I don't know the babe blend it in nyama. So and also already charging the phones whilst they enjoy dinner. And they're very portable product in the This is a great product, guys. And if you have the capital and you'll want to start this importation business, so for products, this is like a great product that you can go buy and also sell for profit. As easy as that. So just do your own research. And will be so a bit to me. I to be now or the Abagana Mawa. Just contact for imports. Yeah, bit to be. Not deliver our Ghana more for fair. Nice, easy, and portable. This was just a quick one because I just thought to share this great news, okay? But in the comment you may say, if you find this information valuable or you know what to do, just click on the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you do not miss out when we release another great video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.